Hey there, I'm Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout. Today in this video, I'd like to share you guys how to install the Beep app on your smartphone properly and what the feature you get in this app. So let's first install the app from the Play Store. I am already installed on my phone, so now I am opening the app. The front page will like that and click on Get Beep. Logging with your phone number and your phone number automatically verified. Next we will be input your name and your profile picture. Now my account is ready. Below I can see 3 options: message, then call, then more. And you also customize your Beep home screen. Basically this app you can make message, voice call and video call, and this app 100% secure. Okay, this is all about Beep application. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. See you in another video. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout. Allah Hafiz.